Very beautiful Monas, Merdeka Square. I love Indonesia. Come and visit Indonesia. The beautiful Indonesia. My friends, come. Guys, good afternoon. Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. Salamat sore. This is Chris Zamora and welcome to my YouTube channel, Travel Tayo. This afternoon, we are going to Merdeka Square or the Independence Square of Indonesia. And inside that Merdeka Square is the Monas or the Monument National of the Republic of Indonesia. I am heading towards the Bundaran HI Transjakarta station. You can see the very beautiful and very impressive design of the bus station of Bundaran HI. Now I'm going inside, tapping the card, and it's very cheap. The fare is only around 3,500 rupiah. And inside, you will be impressed of the cleanliness and the very good design, not too crowded at this point in time. And on top of this bus station is what they call the observation deck, where it attracts a lot of local and international tourists. And you can see this is just one of the buses that passes or stops at this Bundaran HI station. And on top of or at the second floor of this station, there are commercial spaces where you can hang and drink coffee and have your lunch or dinner. Here is the bus that we will take. We are going to Balai Kota, which is around 10 to 15 minutes from this Bundaran HI busway station, and I will be sitting at the back so that I would be able to show you the beauty of Jakarta as we go along this route. And it's good at this time because it's not really full. It's not rush hour, and you can see the sidewalks of Jakarta. They are well paved, very clean, and very safe to walk, especially in the evening. If you want to have some walking relaxation in this area of Jakarta. I love Jakarta. Very safe, very clean, and very convenient for everyone to move around because of the Transjakarta busway integrated with either the LRT, the KRL, or the MRT. Now guys, we are at the Balai Kota. In front here there are many government landmark buildings, and this is the right of the Merdeka Square, very spacious, very clean. And now I want to show you the left side of the Merdeka Square. Wow, very beautiful, very spacious, very walkable. You would definitely find this area very convenient to walk and to go around and relax. And this is the Merdeka Square. There are many government iconic buildings, and in front of me is that obelisk. That structure, that is the Monas, the Monument National of the Republic of Indonesia. I will be telling you more about these places as we walk in this area. Come on guys, let's go! Samahan niyo po ako sa ating paglalakad dito po sa Merdeka Square sa Jakarta, Indonesia. We are going around the Merdeka Square here in Jakarta. Merdeka means in Bahasa Indonesia, freedom or independence. So they call it the Freedom or Independence Square. So you would see a very nice Transjakarta bus. There are many tourist buses lining up in this area, especially over the weekend. This is a very beautiful and clean place. That's why the Merdeka Square is a popular destination of the Indonesians, especially those who come here for recreation and also doing some sports activities over the weekends. And Merdeka Square is very famous for military and float parades because it is a very spacious area. Street sweepers are all around this place because they want to maintain the beautiful, to keep this place beautiful and clean. In front, you would see the Bimo or the tricycle, which is used for short distances traveling in the area here in central Jakarta. This is a very beautiful area here. This is the surrounding of the Merdeka Square. This is a very bustling and busy street. And in the surrounding of Merdeka Square, there are several government offices, notably the Merdeka Palace, National Museum of Indonesia. And Merdeka Square is 1 square kilometer area. And according to my readings, the Merdeka Square is one of the biggest squares in the world, the size of which is 5 times over that of Tiananmen Square in Beijing, or 12 times the size of that of Place de la Concorde in France. You can see the beautiful surrounding of the Merdeka Square. Very clean, well maintained, a lot of greenery, trees. Really very enjoyable to walk here. Hopefully it will not rain. As you can hear, there are thunderstorms. Hopefully we would be able to complete our tour in the area of Merdeka Square. And our main highlight for today is for you to see the Monas, or the Monument Nasional of the Republic of Indonesia. This is the Kementerian Komunikasi dan Informatika RI, meaning that this is the Ministry of Communication and Information of the Republic of Indonesia. That one is the Mahkamah Konstitusi. That's I think the Supreme Court of Indonesia, also in this Merdeka Square. A lot of trees, and that makes the air in this area very fresh, I believe. This is the fence of the Merdeka Square. Quite busy now here in this area. In front is the Merdeka Palace, or the White House, the office of the president. Very nice place. This is the Monas or the Monument National of the Republic of Indonesia. Monas is an obelisk with a height of 132 meters, and you can see on top of the obelisk is a flame covered in gold leaf, which symbolizes the fire, the spirit, and the ardent desire of the Indonesian people to have independence during that time. Monas, you can actually go to the 115 meter. There is an observatory deck, and it is open from 8 o'clock to 4 o'clock in the afternoon. At the basement, you would see the National History Museum, where you would find 51 dioramas or pictures showing or telling the history of Indonesian struggle for independence. So the visit time in Monas, it opens at 6 and closes at 4 o'clock in the afternoon. And it says, jagalah kebersihan dan ketertiban. Maintain cleanliness and discipline, safety. Let's go inside the Monas. It's also difficult to get to the observatory deck of Monas because the capacity is very limited. I think in one time visit only accommodate around 50 people, and the elevator also can accommodate only few people to go up to the observatory deck. Very beautiful Monas. Merdeka Square. I love Indonesia. Come and visit Indonesia. The beautiful Indonesia. My friends, come. Very majestic. Very beautiful. And the surrounding is very green. Very good environment where people, local tourists and international tourists to gather and have some relaxation sitting on the grass of Monas or Merdeka Square. Very beautiful. You can see at the background the Monument National of Indonesia. That is very iconic because it symbolizes the very desire of the Indonesian people during the time struggling for independence, because you know Indonesians are freedom-loving people. And I think I would like to end my video about the Merdeka Square and Monument National or Monas. And thank you very much all my friends, teman-teman, for watching and supporting my blog, Travel Tayo, and hopefully you will continue to tell your friends to subscribe, like, and share my videos that I put on YouTube. Maraming salamat. Thank you very much. Thank you. Maraming salamat po. Salamat sa Diyos. God bless us all.